Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of creating an enterprise account on Docthub. To get started, click on the Create Account link provided to you, which will open this window. On the upper right corner, you'll see an option to create account. Click on it and then select Create an Enterprise Account. Now add your organization's name and choose the option to create an event. Now you'll be asked to enter your official email address. Use the official email ID of your association here. After entering the email, next fill in your phone number and set a password. Once done, your enterprise account's almost ready. Now enter additional details like the admin's name, designation, state, and city. Head over to your Gmail account and verify your email address. After verifying, go ahead and log in using your enterprise account email and password. Now simply click on Create Event and provide all your event details here.